I want to welcome all of you to ETHGlobal New York. This is not a conference. We're giving over $200,000 in prizes thanks to our 16 incredible sponsors.
Very exciting.
There's a lot of people that are flying in from all over the world just to hack at ETHGlobal New York. New ideas and build new projects. People are here to learn. Yeah, man, like that's the hacker spirit. The World Cup happening.
Then you have the next game.
It's Dev Week here. There's been crazy thunderstorms in the city. There's just so much going on in New York.
I don't know. I care about what's on chain.
It honestly feels like the whole world's in New York right now, but the smartest people are inside this venue.
Hackathon's like a rave, but for nerds. You know, you stay up all night and you hack.
It's basically like a giant sleepover.
Brings all sorts of people from all kinds of industries in. You're able to find people who can do the things that you can't do to come up with things that are incredible.
I think you're probably going to be here all night.
It's the best vibes, the best community. This is where I want to be. You know, like this is my tribe.
We decided to stay here. One guy, he brought like mat to sleep here. So I'm like, okay, sitting down and trying to brainstorm right now. We still have, 36 hours to go.
We keep hearing about robotics, so we're like, okay, let's check out ETHGlobal and see what we can do.
We're actually very actively thinking about, okay, like if I build something, how does this actually translate into things that I'm already using every day?
Day two, we're gonna be off to the races.
All you see here are the real OGs now.
You start to see some of the light bulbs turn on for a lot of the hackers, huddled over computers, solving problems together.
Their desk is full of caffeine and Coca-Cola. It's a great place to work on your ideas, green, and have fun.
I'm not scared of this deadline whatsoever.
I'm optimistic that we're gonna have fun. This is gonna be Alice and this is gonna be Bob. I broke them.
I said 3 hours.
Building a prediction market, dashboard, aggregator.
This is like a very spiritual zone today.
Just finished breakfast here on day 3. It's been over 48 hours of hacking. It's been incredible.
I built a full app, so it looks good, feels good, everything works, tested multiple times. I submitted everything like an hour and a half ago, 2 hours ago. I stayed up all night, but I feel amazing.
Why is it downloading Chrome? We got 5 minutes, please. This is not the time.
One of the things that we're super excited about this year is the continuity track,
which allows developers to take projects that they've already worked on.
So it's not a from scratch thing anymore. You can come in and build on top of something that existed before.
It got in people that have been part of our ecosystem for many years, but didn't feel like they could hack again by building something from scratch. And some of them been continuing the project that they started at ETHGlobal over a year ago.
But the quality at ETHGlobal is always really good. I think especially being in New York, just puts up the bar a little bit higher.
It's very impressive that they're even building such cool products in 36 hours. It's insane.
I've seen a lot of agentic commerce stuff, a lot of Explorer 2, a lot of MPP, a lot of payment stuff. A lot of people are building on top of Arc.
Again, we had 1 in 3 projects be on the continuity track. For us, this fundamentally changes how we think about building as a community. More features, more feedback, and really launch something and make something better. This has been an absolutely amazing week for us. We had builder events, other events from our partners. We gave out a couple $100,000 in prizes to the best builders. We got to see new companies being made, old friends reunited. One of the things I'm grateful for is the amazing people that have helped make this event possible. We have 16 people on the team that have put in many years of incredible work, really designing the best version of what we can do to our space. So shout out to our amazing team at ETHGlobal.